Do you want to take and edit professional photos for your small business without having to invest in a product photographer or editor? It is totally possible. Here are some tips that will help you become your own product photographer for your business and create high quality content for your small business. If you're just starting out your small business, you probably don't have the money to invest in a professional product photographer. This is why I suggest creating content yourself, especially if you have the gear to use for it. In this video right here, I share how to set up a professional home photography studio and take photos of your product. So be sure to watch that video next, find out more tips for that. Now, besides taking wide background photography for your product, for example, I also suggest using different props that fit your branding and use those for your social media content. Try adding your product in a lifestyle situation, even with props such as your hand or a model. For example, if you want to take photos by yourself for your skincare line or your skincare small business, here are some things you will need to shoot. The first thing you'll need to shoot is white background and plain white background photos of your product, with or without the lid, showing the texture, showing how it can be applied on your hand, on your face, or whatever it is for. You can also add more products to the mix and take photos of those. So take combination photos of multiple products in your skincare line. Next, add the item in the frame with different objects that would represent the use of your product. Or they can just be decorative, such as flowers, different props, water drops, or more. And now we move on to lifestyle images, showing how the product can be used. And for that, I suggest using a model. People in shots using the product, even if the product is just a t-shirt, a bag, or anything else, it is very important to use models. So for example, for your skincare line, you can shoot the face using the face cream. After the face cream is applied, before and after. You can shoot the face cream being scooped out of the container and then being used on the face, showing its texture on your hand or your face. Or you can also do model shots in which the model holds the skincare product and just shoots it in different positions next to their face or by using their hand. You can also get inspired by other photographers' work. You can use Pinterest for that. You can find a bunch of photo shoots ideas and use them for your own inspiration. Research is also very important when it comes to product photography. So try and find really good photo shoots of products similar to yours and see what you like about them and what you don't, and implement them in your own photo shoots. Now it comes the time to edit the images and have them ready to be posted on your website and social media accounts. I suggest using Lightroom for that. It is by far the best editing app I've used for photos, and you can use it for free on your phone or tablet. For white background photos, I wouldn't modify the colors too much. I would just work on making the image a bit more light and try to bring out the natural color of the product. I will just try to make a simple edit and just modify the lighting a little bit, the contrast, and so on. For any other type of images, make sure to edit the image based on the colors that you want to pop out in the image. For example, if it's a model image, you will still want to keep the product the original color that people will receive in their packaging, but you can give a color tone to the rest of the image if you'd like by using the color editing. This will of course depend on your branding and how you want your style of photography to look for your business in general. Overall, just be creative and use different type of photo settings for your camera, different props, different backgrounds, until you create the photos that truly represent your brand and that showcase your product in the best way. So there you go. This is how you create high quality photos for your small business and how you edit them. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below. If you'd like to work with me in social media marketing and bringing more sales for your business, you can find out my services below, or you can just contact me on Instagram and on TikTok at lida.incomingsuccess. Be sure to follow me on there too, because I post a lot more content from my business, insights, income reports, and much more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.